Okay guys, I got this beautiful 2022 Ford Mustang. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life. So you're going to press this settings button. Advanced settings, vehicle, oil life reset. It's at 48%. You're going to hold OK. It's going to reset. So that's how you go. You have to press this settings button and then go to advanced settings. That's how you get to it. Thanks for watching.